Hello everyone guys, welcome to my channel. Today I decided to bring for you hairstyle. So if you're looking something good to do or style for your wedding, please you're going to watch this video up to end so that you can choose beautiful and nice and elegant hairstyle. Okay guys, another thing, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. And I want to tell you something. If you want to know different hairstyle, you just subscribe my channel and click the bell. If I post any video, just you're going to get a notification. If I post any video, you're going to get a notification. And I hope you're going to like this video. Okay guys, then another thing, you can share. Okay guys, thank you so much to watch this video. More blessings.